Yesterday's Blitzkrieg mass rally by the INC at the EDSA People Revolution Monument in Quezon City may have been generally peaceful, but 7 policemen ended up with injuries sustained from rowdy and roughhousing protesters. Our Ryan Lisigas has more on police authorities mulling potential charges against the INC, even as it held up a busload of protesters from Cavite yesterday seeking to join the illegal rally.
Video shows members of a religious group from Cavite on their way to Manila yesterday to join a protest rally at the EDSA People Power Monument. The bus had been chartered by members of the religious group, but before they could enter Manila, their bus was allegedly stopped by police personnel along Cavitex. The group claimed the Philippine National Police did this to prevent them from reaching the protest venue. The PNP, however, denied the allegation. According to Acting PNP Chief Public Information Office Police Colonel Alan Ray Co, conducting checkpoints is a normal part of police operations. He stressed that the checkpoint was not intended to block members of the religious group.
This is not specifically to prevent anybody from coming to Metro Manila, pero yung ating po is to safety. Always, ang safety po ng public ang ating tinitignan. So we are filtering, normal naman po itong ginagawa.
Co also confirmed that the group was granted a permit to hold today's protest. The permit is valid from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. Authorities are also allowing the group to gather up to 100,000 participants for the demonstration.
Late in the afternoon ay nag-apply po sila and it was granted early in the evening po ng Quezon City Government for today's activity or gathering.
Despite this, the PNP said it is still studying the possibility of filing charges against the organizers of yesterday's protest as they allegedly did not have a permit for the rally held the previous day. During the operation, 7 police officers were injured while performing their duties. Co also confirmed that the 3 individuals arrested during yesterday's protest have already been released.
They were released for further investigation with no prejudice po for filing of cases against them later on if the evidence so warrants. Yung isa po, yung driver na naintindihan ng yung mismong naipit nating kapulisan ay naintindihan niyang gumagawa lamang ng trabaho, pinatawad na po siya.
An estimated 15,000 people participated in last night protest. Meanwhile, the Quezon City Local Government's Department of Order and Safety said the religious group's original request was to hold the protest until Friday. However, the QCLGU has approved only a 1-day permit for now. Motorists, though, should not celebrate just yet. As authorities said, the permit may still be extended if today's activity remains peaceful, orderly, and well organized. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.